Okay, this is the REMA Model DP30 double pedestal combination belt and wire brush or buffing wheel.
Good to go?
Maybe you just open the side cover for me.
Yeah, sure.
Okay, and
Oh, that's the shock.
tensioner.
Yeah, this one's, yeah, it's kind of shock absorber, yeah, tensioner, right?
Okay,
Rotary switch is already on, so the way they've got it wired is hit a foot pedal and it goes. So we're leaving that the way it is. The customer can configure it however he feels. And you got the nuts in here and the washers for the buffing wheel. There's the nut. And the hood comes down. For the sake of the video, we'll leave that up. And I'll hit one foot pedal and we go. That's pretty much it. Let me know when you're good. I'll pull off of it.
I'm good.
Covers, keep that halfway closed. All right, here we go.
All right, probably good enough.
Yep, either one works.
All right, we'll call it a wrap. That's it. Thank you.